BP has a lot to do with the growth and progress of the Iraqi economy, and to be honest, with our investment in the IQD, Iraq's future plans revolve around the country's relationship with BP. In this video, we will take a long, hard look at BP and our investment in Iraq. The video is longer than most, however, each segment provides new information. As an investor, you may want to understand why BP is so important to our investment. Be sure to understand the Rumaila field project. BP is a big oil and gas company. Founded over a century ago, it has grown to become one of the largest energy companies in the world. BP has played a significant role in the global energy market, with operations across continents. Their expertise in exploration, production, refining, and distribution has made them a key player in the industry. Over the years, BP has faced numerous challenges and controversies, but they have continued to adapt and evolve, maintaining its position as a leader in the energy sector. It's been around for a long time. Since its inception, BP has been involved in many significant events and milestones in the energy industry. From the early days of oil exploration to the modern era of renewable energy, BP has been at the forefront of innovation and development. Their journey has been marked by both triumphs and setbacks, but their commitment to providing energy to the world has remained unwavering. BP has been in Iraq for almost a century. Their presence in the region dates back to the early 20th century when they first began exploring the rich oil reserves of the Middle East. Iraq, with its vast oil fields, quickly became a focal point for BP's operations. The company's early efforts in the region laid the groundwork for what would become a long and complex relationship with Iraq. They started working there in the 1920s. During this time, BP, then known as the Anglo-Persian Oil Company, was instrumental in the discovery and development of Iraq's oil resources. The company's engineers and geologists worked tirelessly in the harsh desert conditions, driven by the promise of untapped oil wealth. Their efforts paid off, leading to the discovery of some of the largest oil fields in the world. They helped discover the Kirkuk oil field. This discovery was a turning point for both BP and Iraq. The Kirkuk oil field, one of the largest in the world, became a major source of oil production and revenue for the country. BP's involvement in the development of this field solidified their presence in Iraq and established them as a key player in the region's oil industry. That was a big deal back then. The discovery of the Kirkuk oil field was celebrated as a monumental achievement. It not only marked a significant milestone for BP, but also for Iraq, as it opened up new economic opportunities and positioned the country as a major player in the global oil market. The success of this venture brought international attention to Iraq's oil potential and set the stage for future exploration and development. BP left Iraq for a bit. Over the years, the political and economic landscape in Iraq changed dramatically. Conflicts, nationalization of oil assets, and other challenges led to BP's temporary exit from the country. Despite these setbacks, BP never lost sight of Iraq's potential and remained committed to returning when the conditions were right. But they came back in 2009. After a long hiatus, BP resumed its operations in Iraq, driven by the desire to help rebuild the country's oil industry. The company brought in modern technology and expertise to revitalize the oil fields and boost production. Their return marked a new chapter in BP's long history in Iraq, one focused on collaboration and development. They wanted to help rebuild the country. BP's efforts in Iraq were not just about extracting oil. They were also about contributing to the nation's recovery and growth. By investing in infrastructure, training local workers, and fostering partnerships with Iraqi companies, BP aimed to create a sustainable and prosperous future for the country. They knew Iraq had a lot of oil. The vast reserves of oil in Iraq represented a significant opportunity for both BP and the country. By tapping into these resources, BP hoped to not only boost their own production but also to help Iraq achieve economic stability and growth. The company's long-term vision was to support Iraq in becoming a leading oil producer on the global stage. They wanted to help Iraq use that oil to grow their economy. BP's commitment to Iraq went beyond oil extraction. They aimed to support the country's broader economic development by creating jobs, fostering local businesses, and investing in community projects. Through these efforts, BP hoped to make a positive and lasting impact on Iraq's future. BP is working on a huge project in Iraq. This project is not just any ordinary oil field development. It's a monumental endeavor that has the potential to reshape the energy landscape of the region. The scale of this project is truly staggering, involving thousands of workers, cutting-edge technology, and a significant investment of resources. It's called the Rumaila oil field development. This field is massive, spanning over 1,800 square kilometers. The Rumaila oil field is one of the largest oil fields in the world. The sheer size of this field is mind-boggling, with vast stretches of land dotted with oil rigs and pumps working tirelessly to extract the precious resource beneath the earth. It's one of the biggest in the world. The Rumaila oil field has an estimated 17 billion barrels of recoverable oil, making it a critical asset not just for Iraq, but for the global oil market. The field has been in operation since the 1950s, but recent advancements in technology have allowed for more efficient extraction and production. BP is working with other companies to get the oil out of the ground. This collaboration includes partnerships with international oil companies and local Iraqi firms, creating a diverse and skilled workforce. The combined expertise of these companies ensures that the extraction process is both efficient and environmentally responsible. They use special technology to do this. It's a complicated process. Advanced drilling techniques, such as horizontal drilling and hydraulic fracturing, are employed to maximize oil recovery. These technologies allow for the extraction of oil from previously inaccessible areas, significantly boosting production rates. It takes a lot of work, but it's worth it. The maintenance and operation of the oil field require a dedicated team of engineers, technicians, and laborers who work around the clock to ensure everything runs smoothly. Their hard work and dedication are crucial to the success of the project. The Rumaila oil field is very important to Iraq. It is a cornerstone of the country's economy, providing a significant portion of Iraq's oil production. The field's output is vital for the nation's financial stability and growth. It provides a lot of money for the country. The revenue generated from the Rumaila oil field is used to fund various public services and infrastructure projects, contributing to the overall development of Iraq. This money helps build schools and hospitals. The impact of the oil revenue is evident in the construction of new schools, hospitals, and other essential facilities, improving the quality of life for the Iraqi people. The Rumaila oil field is not just an industrial project. It is a lifeline for the nation, driving progress and prosperity. Iraq has a lot of oil reserves, but they need help refining it efficiently. Refining turns crude oil into gasoline and other products. BP is helping Iraq modernize their aging refineries. They are upgrading equipment and training local workers. This is making the refineries much more efficient. They can now produce more gasoline and other products. This is very good for Iraq's economy. It means they can sell more products to other countries. Section 4. Jobs, jobs, jobs. BP's impact on the Iraqi workforce. BP's projects are creating jobs in Iraq. Lots of jobs. They need engineers, construction workers, and office staff. This is good news for Iraqi people, especially young people who are looking for work. BP also trains their Iraqi workers. They teach them new skills. These skills help the workers get better jobs, even after the BP projects are finished. It's a win-win. BP's role in boosting the Iraqi economy. BP is helping Iraq's economy grow. Their investments are creating jobs and bringing in money. This is good news for the Iraqi dinar. That's the currency of Iraq. When the economy is strong, the currency usually gets stronger too. This means that people in Iraq can buy more with their money. It also makes Iraq more attractive to foreign investors. As investors, we are looking for more foreign investments and safety for these investors. We are also looking forward to a time when foreign countries need billions more IQD to ship goods from the Gulf to Europe. These are the factors that will drive the value of the IQD up.